If you don't change out any settings and other computer were accessing your computer, you don't have a default way of knowing whether they are accessing your computer or not. But what you can actually do is enable something called a screen frame when they access it. So to enable it, you can click on the hamburger icon and then go to settings right here. And then what you can do is go to the privacy settings. So once you go around over here, you can go ahead and enable or disable the screen frame as you want. By default, it will be off. So here, you can go ahead and enable it. And let's say, for example, choose a particular color, even choose the width right here and the opacity level right here. Click apply, and then whenever someone else will actually access your computer, you will see a border around your computer indicating that they are having access to your computer at the moment, and it'll disappear as soon as they don't actually access, or that is if they end the session. So that is how you can go ahead and enable out the screen frame as you like inside of AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.